If you can scroll on your phone for 3 hours every day, then you can study for 3 hours too. Because to your brain, these two activities aren't actually that different. Sounds surprising? But it's true. Your brain only wants one thing: dopamine. In today's video, I'll share a method that can gradually train your brain to become addicted to studying. This isn't a motivational trick, and it's not about having stronger willpower. It's all based on neuroscience. So, what's the real problem? Imagine you open Instagram or start watching Reels. Within seconds, your brain gets a huge burst of dopamine with almost no effort. Now, when you sit down to study, your brain automatically compares the experience. Studying gives you dopamine much more slowly and in much smaller amounts. So your brain sends a simple message: this is boring. Let's go back to the phone instead. Here's the important part. It's not your fault, and it's not your brain's fault either. Your brain is designed to find the highest dopamine reward with the least amount of effort. But there's one thing most people don't realize. Dopamine isn't just about pleasure. It's also driven by expectation and anticipation. And that's exactly where the solution lies. The three-step method. Step 1. Lower your dopamine before you study. Before opening your books, spend at least 15 to 20 minutes away from your phone, music, or any form of entertainment. Just sit quietly. At first, it'll feel uncomfortable. Time will seem to move slowly, but that's exactly what's supposed to happen. Your brain's dopamine level is returning to its natural baseline. Step 2. Right before you begin studying, close your eyes for 1 or 2 minutes. Picture yourself reading. Imagine understanding the concepts clearly. Visualize solving questions with confidence. This tiny mental exercise creates anticipation in your brain, a feeling that something rewarding is about to happen. And that expectation naturally pulls you toward your books. Step 3. Reward the process study for 25 minutes, then take a 2-minute break. During the break, do something simple. Walk around, stretch your body, or drink a glass of water. There's only one rule: don't touch your phone. You want your brain to learn that studying itself can be followed by relaxation and satisfaction, not endless scrolling. Why most people quit too early. The first 2 or 3 days will feel difficult. Your brain will constantly crave its old habit. It will tempt you with easy dopamine. This is the stage where most people give up. But if you stay consistent, something begins to change around the 4th or 5th day. Studying no longer feels like a burden. Understanding a difficult concept starts to feel like winning a game. At that point, you don't have to force yourself anymore. You'll naturally reach for your books, because your brain has finally learned that productive work can be just as rewarding as scrolling through social media. Final thoughts. One last warning: don't let this new habit break too easily. If you fall back into endless phone scrolling, your brain may return to its old reward pattern, and you'll have to rebuild the habit again. So treat this as a 5-day challenge. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to stay consistent. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what topic you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.